If the coordinates of the midpoints of the sides of a triangle are 1, 2, 0, minus 1 and 2, minus 1, find the coordinates of its vertices. So see the figure here. Let's take up a triangle ABC. We do not know the coordinates of A, B and C. So let's call them x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. Let D be the midpoint of BC and let D take the address 1, 2. It's given to us. Let E be the midpoint of AC and let E take the address 0, minus 1. Let F be the midpoint of AB and F take the address 2, minus 1. So now by using the midpoint formula, we know that x2 plus x3 by 2 is equal to 1 and y2 plus y3 by 2 is equal to 2. That's what we see here. And on cross multiplying we get x2 plus x3 is equal to 2, y2 plus y3 is equal to 4. Again, we know that E is the midpoint of AC. So x1 plus x3 by 2 is equal to 0 and y1 plus y3 by 2 is equal to minus 1. That's what you see here. And on cross multiplying we have x1 plus x3 is 0, y1 plus y3 is equal to minus 2. F is the midpoint of AB and by using the midpoint formula we have x1 plus x2 by 2 is equal to 2. y1 plus y2 by 2 is equal to minus 1. So on cross multiplying we have x1 plus x2 is equal to 4, y1 plus y2 is equal to minus 2. Now add these equations. x2 plus x3 is 2, x1 plus x3 is equal to 0, x1 plus x2 is equal to 4. On adding these three equations we get twice of x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 6 or x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 3. Now see these equations, y2 plus y3 is 4, y1 plus y3 is equal to minus 2 and y1 plus y2 is equal to minus 2. Add these three equations. That gives us twice of y1 plus y2 plus y3 is 0 or y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal to 0 by 2, which is 0. Now what are we to find? We have to find the coordinates of A, B and C. That means we want the values of x1, x2, x3, y1, y2 and y3. So now in this equation, when we substitute the value of x2 plus x3, what is x2 plus x3? It's 2. See here, x2 plus x3 is 2. So that will give us x1 is equal, x1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So x1 will be equal to 3 minus 2 or x1 is equal to 1. Now in the same equation, substitute x1 plus x3 is 0. See here, x1 plus x3. x1 plus x3 is 0. So on substituting that we get x2 plus 0 because x1 plus x3 is 0. So x2 plus 0 is equal to 3 or x2 is equal to 3. And again in the same equation, when you substitute the values of, when you substitute 4 for x1 plus x2. See here, x1 plus x2 is 4. x1 plus x2 is 4. So 4 plus x3 is equal to 3. x3 is equal to 3 minus 4. x3 is equal to minus 1. So like this we found the values of x1, x2 and x3. Now let's find the values of y1, y2 and y3. See this, we have this equation. Now here y2 plus y3 is equal to 4. y2 plus y3 is 4. So use that here. So we have y1 plus 4 is equal to 0 or y1 is equal to minus 4. So y1 is equal to minus 4. Now y1 plus y3 is minus 2. y1 plus y3 is minus 2. So on using that here we get y2 minus 2 is equal to 0. y2 is equal to 2. y2 is equal to 2. Now y1 plus y2 is minus 2. y1 plus y2 is minus 2. Use it here. y1 plus y2 is minus 2. So minus 2 plus y3 is equal to 0. So we have y3 is equal to 2. We have y3 is equal to 2. So like this we found the values of x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3. Now find the coordinates of a, b and c. A, x1, y1 which is 1 comma minus 4. B, x2, y2 which is 3 comma 2. C, x3, y3 which is minus 1 comma